Imagine waking up every morning feeling calm, focused and full of energy. Imagine moving through life with clarity, free from the constant noise of stress and anxiety. What if I told you that achieving this state of mind is entirely within your reach? The secret lies in the simple yet profound practice of meditation. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Unparalleled Lifestyle. Before we dive in, I want to be upfront with you. I was born profoundly deaf, so my speech may sound a little different from what you're all used to. But that is part of who I am, and I am here to share my journey with you. Thank you for your kindness and understanding. It truly means a lot. For centuries, meditation has been practiced across cultures and tradition. From ancient monks seeking enlightenment to modern professionals striving for balance. Meditation has been a powerful tool to enhance the human experience. But what exactly are the benefits of meditation? How does it transform our minds and bodies? Let's explore the life-changing power of this practice. Number 1. Stress reduction. Finding inner peace. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a constant companion. Deadline, responsibility and expectation weigh us down. But meditation offers an escape. Studies have shown that just a few minutes of meditation each day can significantly reduce stress levels. When we meditate, our body decreases the production of cortisol, the stress hormone, leading to a state of deep relaxation. Imagine we replace moments of overwhelm with moments of mindfulness. Instead of reacting to stress, you learn to observe it, understand it, and let it go. Meditation gives you the power to navigate life's challenges with grace and ease. Number 2. Improve focus and mental clarity. Our mind are constantly bombarded with distraction, social media, notification, endless to-do lists. But meditation rewires the brain to enhance focus and concentration. Studies have shown that meditation strengthens the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible of decision making and attention. Whether you are a student, a business person or an artist, sharpen your focus can take your performance to the next level. With meditation, your thoughts become clearer, your memories improve, and your ability to retain information strengthens. Number 3. Emotional well-being. The path to happiness. Meditation is not just about calming the mind. It is about healing the heart. Practicing mindfulness meditation increases the production of serotonin and endorphins, the feel-good hormones, that combats depression and anxiety. Imagine carrying that sense of joy and contentment with you throughout the day. Instead of being controlled by negative emotions, you learn to acknowledge them, accept them, and release them. Meditation teaches you emotional resilience and fosters a deeper connection with yourself and others. Better sleep, a natural remedy in insomnia. Have you ever struggled to fall asleep? Your mind racing with endless thoughts. Meditation is a natural remedy for sleep disorders, promoting relaxation and calming an overactive mind. By incorporating meditation into your nightly routine, you can fall asleep faster. stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling more refreshed. When the mind is at peace, the body follows. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to deep, rejuvenating sleep. Number 5. Physical health benefits. Healing from within. Meditation doesn't just impact the mind, it transforms the body. Studies have shown that regular meditation lowers blood pressure, strengthens the immune system, and even reduces chronic pain. By reducing inflammation and boosting overall health, meditation helps prevent illness and enhances longevity. It is like giving your body a powerful dose of healing energy every single day. Number 6. Self-awareness and personal growth. Meditation is a journey inwards. Allow us to pause, reflect, and connect with our true selves. In a world that constantly demands our attentions, taking time for self-awareness is a gift. Through meditation, we develop a deeper understanding of our thoughts, habits, and desires. We become more compassionate, patient, and present. This awareness empowers us to break free from limiting beliefs and embrace our full potential. Here's a great example of great people who use daily meditation. Steve Jobs, Bruce Lee, Madonna, Ram Dass, Jack Cornfield, Tina Turner, Kobe Bryant, Hugh Jackman, Oprah, Clint Eastwood, and many, many more. Number 7. Connection to something greater. Beyond the individual benefits, meditation connects us to something greater, whether it's a sense of spiritual awakening, a deeper connection with nature, or simply a profound appreciation for life. Meditation expands our consciousness. When we meditate, we tap into infinite wisdom of the universe. We realise that we are not separate, but deeply interconnected with all of existence. So, what are you waiting for? The power to transform your life is within you. Start with just a few minutes a day, close your eyes and take a deep breath or two and embrace the journey. Meditation is not just a practice, it is a way of life, a path to clarity, peace and boundless potential. The question is, are you ready to begin? Let's continue to grow together. Thank you for tuning in today to Unparalleled Lifestyle. May you have an amazing day or night, wherever you are. Many blessings.